LED light bulbs use up to 90% less energy than a standard incandescent bulb, and they generate less heat, producing even and bright light with illumination superior to a CFL. Replace the bulbs in your recessed can lighting, track lighting, and other household light fixtures with these directional LEDs and see the savings stack up. Installation is easy. Before getting started, identify the bulb that you plan to replace with your new LED bulb. Turn off the light and allow your old bulb to cool prior to removal. Carefully remove the old light bulb that you plan to replace and dispose of it properly. Now you are ready to install your new LED bulb. Remove it from the packaging. Twist clockwise into the light socket until snug. Turn the light on. As easy as that, you are ready to start saving energy with your new LED bulb. We offer a variety of LED light bulbs to meet both your residential and commercial needs. Visit us at amconservation.com to choose the bulb that is right for you.